Okay, so let's look at these windows. Now this is really important. With Visual Studio, it's very easy to accidentally switch off Windows and everything else. So if you can't find any of your windows, you go to Window, Reset Window Layout, yes, and I'd like you to do that. Okay, next let's discuss the main windows you'll be using. The first one is our Solution Explorer. This is on the right hand side here. This is where every file that is part of your final program will be held, and you can see them and you can pop into them. When you come to reopen a project, if you want to open that form again, you'll have to go into your Solution Explorer, and where you see Form 1, you'll have to right click on it and you'll want to go View Code, and in fact I'll close it to show. Right click, View Code, you can view Designer and so on and so forth, and open. So if I go View Code, there's my code for it. If I go View Designer, there's my form back. And you notice these have opened in separate tabs. Okay. There will be a third one, which is this form1.designer.cs, and at the moment that doesn't have much in it. In fact, it's put the tab on the right hand side, and the reason it's done that is because this is a form section that will be written by Microsoft for you, and I'll come to that later. Right now I'm just going to close it. So we have Form 1 and Form 1 code. So what I'd like you to do now is I'd like you to close all your tabs, even if there's a start page, so you have nothing. On your Solution Explorer, I'd like you to right click on Form 1 and go View Designer to bring it back, and then right click on Form 1 again, .cs, and go View Code. And you should see your code. Your code, by the way, will just have, what's that, 21 lines, nothing much. Okay, away you go.